The President of the Republic of Uganda has arrived.
Aharsha inaenda chikatano ni ibiriza kasheshe President Museveni nubwo yahika Shayi Kororo omuri Kampala kandi yakirwa umuhezo Jessica Rupo Prime Minister Robin Nabanja hamwe n'abandi bebembiza hagati y'akari n'amashemererwa. Nabwa nyuma ya rambure nyereza mahe obwashindekerezi bw'omudumizi w'amahega ihanga General Muhoozi Rugaba
of the Uganda People's Defense Air Force.
Dera harsha itanu ndashika 50 zakasheshe President Museveni yarahira nkoro kwijja kwebembera no kurindi hangare ya Uganda kandi mikoro yo kumurayiza yebembera wishabara muzo Flavian Jija
Yoweri Tumwabura Kaguta Museveni swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Yoweri Tumwabura Kaguta Museveni, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the functions of the President of Uganda and shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of Uganda. So help me God.
President Museveni kuyaheza kurayiza ubwayi yakwasubwe bukwato y'ubwebembezi ebiro mwengenderwa w'ihanga ebendera ya Uganda ebendera y'obwa President ikishongoro cy'ihanga engabo hamwe n'ebindi.
Instrument of power.
Yes!
The Constitution, the national flag, the presidential standard flag, the national anthem, the national coat of arms, and the public seal.
Bwanyuma yo kurayizibwa batera imizinga 21 yaterwa amahiga Uganda People's Defense Forces nuko President Museveni no kurambure nyereza amahe nka president waheza kutoranwa.
The Motorized Infantry Division and Aircraft Systems and the Uganda People's Defense Forces.
Amaye hamwe n'abandi b'ibyo kwerinda bayire ko bukorwa ubutari umwe na bumwe barukoreko kubetebekana isoko rindi hanga n'abanya-Uganda. President Museveni mu kugamba kwe yasima abanyayuganda habo kumwesiga bakamuhereza akaruru kingi kandi akabira ku businge.
Abanyayuganda mwebale kuwagira NRM. I also congratulate the other parties, such as the DP, the UPC, ETC, that participated in the elections without using violence, and like the party of NUP and some few elements of FDC that were using violence. The parties under IPOD should clearly lay out agreed guidelines on the do's and the don'ts of election management, according to the laws and the Constitution of Uganda. This Kisanja Excellencies is our term for a period. This Kisanja should be regarded as a Kisanja of no more sleep for all Ugandans. Kino Kisanja twetwetaga abantu okwebaka ate nibekwasa kino nibekwasa kiri songe eddagala liweriri.
Omukarura kawire President Museveni akiyebura urukwingana miliyoni 7,915,752 oburukoro bucika 7 n'obutonyeza mukaga harigana. President Museveni yagambira abanyayuganda ko kwari kwija kumarraho kimwe bushomanguzi omu kishanje kiyatandika.
Peace is now there. Infrastructure is there. The service delivery of health care and schools is there. The market of East Africa is there. The market of Africa is there. We can also access the international market. So the problem is you now to do your part. And your part is in 2 areas. Wealth creation. Be part of wealth creation. Tozira bugaga, nsenedira bugaga. Nzinjagala bwavu. Tombure ebyo bugaga. Be part of wealth creation. And once you create wealth, you should also create jobs.
President Museveni hona yongera yashobora ngo kwari kwija kutama no mu kishanje eki ekye2026 okumaraho bworo mu ihanga kandi yashobora kwihanga rizerera tunguka obwaro kugira ngo hatamana naija kugata hakongera omutindo habintu okulinda ebyo buhangwa okongera kusyamiza marunja habantu okutungura ebyo buhinji no burisa ebyo bwegese ebyamagara hamwe nebindi nkamakorero.
With the advent of the NRM ever since 1986, the families that cared to listen to our message got out of poverty. Amaka agawuliza okwabula kwaffe ne bakola bavada mu bwavu. I'm telling my Ugandans that the families who have listened to our advice and worked the way we advised them, they got out of poverty. Do you want proof? Mwetaga obukakafu kambubalage.
Omukoro gwo kuraiza President Museveni gwaikoha abantu bingi yotinisa abarumuha Excellence Samia Suluhu Hassan or President w'engari ya Tanzania, Felix Tshisekedi or President wa Democratic Republic of Congo, Evariste Ndayishimiye or President w'engari ya Burundi, Salva Kiir or President wa South Sudan, His Excellency Daniel Francesco Chapo or President w'engari ya Republic of Mozambique, Hassan Sheikh Mohamud or President wa Federal Republic of Somalia, hamwe n'abandi ba president abarugomanga nka Gabon, Togo, Ethiopia hamwe n'ahandi. Gashakweri Sarutugusa.